Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 25 class where we are going to discuss how to create a screen flow, right? How to create a screen flow. So how we are going to use it, right? This so till yesterday's class we have discussed in this flow topic types of flows and elements in the what are the elements in the flows, right? What are the resources in the flows? Got it? And in these resources, what are the variables that we have discussed in the previous class, right? So today we are going to practice a small example. So how to use a screen flow and whatever the screen flow we have developed. And this screen flow can be used in LWC components, in ARA components, and in these record pages, app builder pages, mostly everywhere, whenever it is recommended, it is needed. So we are going to use this screen flow. Okay, so let us create a simple flow. So to show you some welcome message. Okay, so let me go into the Salesforce. Okay, so now go to our flows. See here. Okay, now create a new flow. Create a new flow. Click on next, which is a screen flow. I'm going to create here. Right. So definitely I need a screen, right, to show the output. Some welcome message I need to show. So in order to show this output, so I need a screen here. So which is the screen flow starting from here. So where I need a screen. So see here, in order to interact, this is a screen is an interaction element, right? This screen is an interaction element. So I need to add a screen here. Click on this, just click on this plus icon. See here, if you see, so click on this add element, click on this plus icon. So you definitely need a screen here. So just click on this screen. That's it. So now we have to add a screen here. So what is this screen? And that will be visible to the user, right? For the user, whatever the screen to be visible, and that is the screen we are going to develop here. Just a small welcome message I am going to develop here. Okay, see in the left hand side, when you click on the new screen, in the left hand side, you can see all the inputs, right? Input components and the fields. So in the components, we are having the inputs, display. See here, display. So what I need to give the display here, display text message or what I need to display to the users, right? So here input means this comes under the coming topics. So how we are going to give the input to the users? Then the user provides some inputs, right? So what needs to be done here? That we are going to discuss. So if you see here fields, so what type of a fields? So and these are the variables. We need to create these variables and we need to drag and drop it. Okay. So now from here we are going to start it. So what is the label? Let us say this label should be some meaningful name should be given here. Let us say I'm giving welcome screen. Okay. So API name see here welcome screen automatically will be populated. Now come down. See here configure header and the footer. Configure header and the footer. So this is the header part and this is the footer part. And in between it is the body. So where the users can see our messages. We can configure this header and we can configure this footer. Right? So let us see now what is the body here. This is the center part which you are seeing here. So this is the body where we can start displaying some message to the users. We have to display here something. So what needs to be displayed? If you come down, see here under display, we are having a display text, right? So just drag and drop this display text into the body. That's it. See here now header, footer, and this is the body. So provide some API name for this body. So let us say welcome message, API name, right? So no spaces should be given. Welcome message, right? Here some resources are there and some content. So I whether what needs to be displayed. See here some display text is there. So what needs to be displayed here? So I need to write down some message. I need to write down some message here. So see, so what type of message? And let us say I'm going to write here, welcome to the world of Salesforce flows. Okay, welcome to the world of Salesforce flows. Okay, so this is the message. So we can apply some like a bold or colors or font. So whatever is there, we can apply for this particular uh, sentence, right? We can apply different fonts. We can apply different styles here. So let me apply here. Let me click as bold, and whether I need to increase the size. See here, whatever the changes you are doing, all these changes you can see here. So I need to display at the center, and so here for the Salesforce flow, I need to make an underline, and complete sentence, I need to apply some color to it. Okay. So just click on this color. Okay. Now click on done. See, welcome to the world of Salesforce flow. Okay. So let me make this particular Salesforce flow as some italic. Okay. Let me increase the size as well. Okay. Let me make it as black. Okay. See, welcome to the world of Salesforce flow. Okay, this is the output message I want to display in a separate screen and to display to the users. Just click on done. See, okay. So now whatever work I did, so immediately I need to save, right? Immediately I need to save this. Okay, so just click on the save button. So give this flow label welcome message screen flow. Welcome message screen flow. Let me write it like this. Welcome message screen flow. Okay, done. Just click on save. See now save button is grayed out. Okay, so now whatever the changes you are doing, just you can do what do you can do changes and you can refresh the screen at any point of time. Got it? So now you see in the left hand side, whatever the see. So whatever the components you have added, what are the resources you have added, what are the variables you have added, all this will be listed under this toolbox. There is one toggle button is there in the left hand side. So in the toggle button, you can see under the manager. So whatever the components, resources, elements you have added, all this will be visible here. Now I have added one screen component here. See, this is the screen component. Welcome message. And what is the screen I have added? Welcome screen I have added. One element. One resource I have used and one element I have used. Okay. So saving is completed. Now let us debug. See here, there is a one button here, debug. So just click on this debug. Now see here, just click on run button. See, welcome to the world of Salesforce flow. Okay. See in the right hand side, you can see debug details, how the interview started, right? How the transaction committed. Just click on finish. That's it. See here, welcome to here also I am getting some message. So I don't want this header part. Just click on this finish. Now go back to our flow. Just edit this screen. Go to the header part. So I don't want to show this header. Just turn off this header. Just click on done. That's it. Now again save it. Okay. So in order to use this screen flow in our what in our application, right, or in our home page. So wherever you want to use it, before using, you need to activate this flow. Just click on this activate button. See, your flow has activated. So last modifier in a few seconds, active stage. Now, how to use it? I saw I have activated, done, completed. So now how to use whatever the flow I have created, how to use it? So I need to use in this home page. Let us go to my home page. So hospital management home page is there. See, now under this home page, I want to display my particular message. Okay, I want to display here and the right hand side or anywhere you want, right? So how to use it? Go to our application home page and just click on this edit page. See here, edit page. Now drag and drop the particular flow component, right? Whatever the flow component which we have developed, right? See, this is the flow component. So just drag and drop wherever you want. So I want in the right hand side. See, these are the flows. So now I want to select my flow. So what is my flow here? But welcome, see, welcome message screen flow, right? Just click on this. That's it. Okay. So now just click on save button. Go back. See, welcome to the world of Salesforce. Some finish button is also visible to me. I don't want to visible this finish also. Just a normal screen. A normal screen I need to show here. And or else I need to show some quotation. So daily quotation. Okay. Some daily quotations I want to show. Let us say today I need to show one quotation. Tomorrow I need to show one quotation. If I want to change this particular message, let us say uh, daily quotation. Let me show you here. For example, today I am going to paste this particular message. Okay. Let me paste any one of this. Copy. Now go back to our flow. Close this. Now go back to our flow. Just edit this screen. Right. So now I am going to change this particular message. So today this is the quotation. Right. So today this is the quotation. Now click bold it. Let me add some colors or something. Okay. Just click on that. So some quotation is there. Higher character train skill. Okay. So now if you come down for this header and footer, I don't want this footer part. I don't want this footer part. Right. Under this footer part also, see, hide next or finish button. So I'm hiding this. I'm hiding previous button, hiding this. I'm hiding past button, hide this. That's it. Just a normal message now. Right? And just a normal message. Just click on done. Now what I need to do here? So I need to click on this save as. You can see here, just click on this save as. So save as, here two options are available, a new version or a new flow. So I want to save as a new version, not as a new flow. So new version, just click on this save button. A new version is going to save. So you can set either a allow finish. Okay, no problem. In order to save this, you can set either allow finish or allow back. Okay, but not both. So something has to be made it here. Just go here. Let me add some finish button. Use custom label. Finish. Just click on done. Okay. Now click on save as. A new version. Just done. Save it. Okay. Completed. Okay. So now just debug it. This is the daily quotation, which I am going to just run it. See here. This is the some daily quote I am getting here. Now just see version 2 is there. If I want to update, so for example, just activate this, go back to our screen, just refresh the screen. See here, got it. So now I am going to change again. For example, today is some Thursday. I'm showing this message. Tomorrow is some other day. I need to show other message, right? So, but these are the some static, right? Some automatically I'm not going to change here. If I need to change daily, I need to go to this particular screen and I need to change this particular message and I'm going to save as a different version. Right. For example, the next day I need to, if I need to change this, so again I am copy pasting some message. Okay, let me take any small message. Okay, copy. Now go to here screen or screen. Just edit this screen. Come down. Okay, just again I'm pasting it here. Okay, if I do like this, just say bold it and click on done. Again, I need to save as. See here, again I need to save as a new version. Just click on save. See again version 3. Like this, how many versions I need to create? So if I keep on changing the messages, again I keep on increasing the versions. So how to view these versions? So how many versions are created? So let's go to the setup. How many versions are created? All these details will be noted here under in the Salesforce flow definitions. So go to this flow, just click on this flow, open our flow. Where is that? Welcome message screen flow is there, right? If you see here the right side, view details and versions. Just click on this view details and versions. Come down total, first version, second version, third version. What is activated? Second version is now activated. Right? Third version created, but it is not active. Okay. So we have to show some static output in the flow. That is for clear. It should not be dynamic. Okay. Some static message only, standard message only I need to show. That which may change in the future. For example, this week I need to show one message and tomorrow I need to show some other message. Right? Then here for this type of issues, in order to show some static messages, so custom labels coming into the picture. Right? Custom labels. We need to use the custom labels for it. We need to put the message in it and we use our custom label in the screen flow. Then if we change anything in that message, it will automatically change. Right? Let us see how to create a custom label. Right? So custom labels are basically used to store static values. So what is a custom label? In general, in interview point of view, it is a question. So what is a custom label means? It is basically used to store static values. So whenever we need to use, so we can use those custom labels. That's it. Right? In direct coding or in this flow, anywhere you want. Okay. Now let me go to here setup. So here just type for custom labels. See here. See under the user interface, we are having custom labels. Right? Just click on this custom label. So as of now, no custom labels are there. I am going to create a new custom label here. So let us say what is the description? I need to give some welcome message. Okay, welcome message I'm going to give here. So what is the value? Some quotation, right? So I'm going to take some other quotation here. Let me take always do our best and what your plan now. Just copy this. I'm pasting in my custom label. Just click on save. That's it. Then see here, this is my static message. Right? So as of now, three versions are there, right? As of now, three versions are there. So if you click on this third version also, so now the third version is active in stage. Okay, let me show you how we are going to change. Now I am not going to create any new versions, but I need to change the message. Right? I need to change the message in this welcome screen. But I'm not supposed to change the flow versions. So as of now, three versions are there. Just refresh this the screen here. Now you can see some message is displaying to us, right? Now this particular message needs to be changed, but it should not create a separate versions, right? So waste of using separate different versions, right? So then how to use this? Okay, now just refresh this page, refresh this flow page in order to use our custom label here. Okay, just if you want to edit this, already it is in active stage, right? So let me create a new version. Let me create a new version. This is the final version. Version 4 is the final version. right? Because I am some editing. If you do any edit in the flow, it will save as a separate version only, right? You need to keep in mind that. So now this is the version flow is the my final version. Now I'm not supposed to increase the versions. Already 4 versions has been created. I am not supposed to increase the versions, but I need to change the message. Okay. So now here fourth version has been created. Now just click on this edit. Now come down. Just remove this message here from here. Just removing here. So now the display text is empty. Okay. Now the display text is empty. Now I need to insert my custom label here. So how to insert custom label? Here there is an option. Insert a resource. Insert a resource. Just click on this. See here. So as of now, whatever the resources are there, all these resources will be displayed here, like screen component, screens. So these are the global variables. So under this global variables, we are having API flows. If you want to use the flows, label, organization, if you want to profile, system, user role, all these are global variables. So whatever you want, you can use it. Now I'm going to use the label here. Just click on this label, right? So under this label, as of now, only one custom label I have created. If you created more than one, yes, all these messages will be displayed here. Right now, this is the only custom label which I have created. Just click on this. That's it. Just I want to increase the size, right? I'm going to increase the size here, 16. Some if you're not next time I need to change the color, font color, and I need to make it as a bold, right? I need to make it as some italic. Just click on done. That's it. Now save it. Just activate it. I'm going to activate the version 4 here. So what is the message? Just see here. Some without has a black color, some message is there, right? Now I'm going to activate this version 4. Okay. Now go here. Just refresh your screen. That's it. See. So this is the custom label which we have created, right? This is the message from the custom label. Got it? So from the custom label, now it is going to display it here. So let us say now I'm going to change to the other message. So the key of life is to accepting challenges, something message. Copy. Right now, go to your custom labels, just edit it. Now I am going to remove the previous message and pasting the new message. The key to life is accepting challenges. Now just click on save button. That's it. So now see here, what is the version here? Version 4 only. I'm not going to change any versions here. Right? Just simply going into my custom labels, I have updated the value, static value. That's it. Right? I have not changed the flow. I have not changed the screen component. I have not updated any versions. Right? Simply going into the custom label, I have updated the whatever the value is there, just a static value I have updated. Just go to the home page, just refresh the screen. See the key to life. So what is the custom label here? The key to life is accepting challenge. See the key to life is accepting the challenge. Now you got it right. So like this, we can change the messages, static messages directly from the custom label. So today we have covered this custom labels also, right? So how to use a screen flow and how to use that particular screen flow in our home page and whatever the static messages so that we can use via custom labels, right? So in the next class, we are going to create a one more screen flow where we can use this input fields. So whatever the input fields are there, okay. So whatever the input fields are there, if you click on edit this screen, see here in this input. So we are going to create one object record. Let us say some contact, case, account, anything. So I am going to create one particular object record, right? In that object record, so what are the pick list values are there? So how to use those pick list values? We are having number of options here in order to use this pick list. So text message, date, time, all these are very easy. Simply drag and drop your text, date, time, or a checkbox. All these are very easy. Currency fields, use this currency fields. But using of this pick list fields, So if you go to any one of the object, let us say case. So if you go to the case object, see here under this status. So how to store this type of values? See new status, working, escalated, in progress. So how to, this is the value, right? So what is what is the labels which we are seeing on in user interface screen? Behind this label, we are having some values, right? So that is nothing but a label comma value, right? So how to give this type of a pick list values? How to give some choices? How to give to the user an option to select the choice, right? So this type of pick list values and how to create a lookups, right? See here under this contact name, we are having a lookup. Under the account name, we are having a lookup. Without using lookup also, if I need to select a contact name, how I can use it? So all these options we are going to see in the next class. Okay. Just keep on following this channel for the latest updates. If you are having any doubts at any point of time, just mention in the comment section. So I'm going to respond to those comments. Okay. Thank you guys.